I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish noodle soup. Gather fresh fish, rice noodles, ginger, garlic, scallions, and a sturdy pot. Start by simmering aromatics gently to build a clear, savory broth. Poach fish just until opaque to keep it tender and flaky. Finish with rice noodles, a splash of light soy, and fresh scallions for brightness. Taste and adjust salt, then serve hot with a wedge of lime. Begin by filleting your fish and removing any bones carefully to ensure safe, pleasant eating. Soak rice noodles in warm water for a few minutes to soften without cooking them fully. Slice ginger thin and gently crush garlic to unlock aromatic oils. Prepare scallions and any herbs, keeping them fresh for garnish. Measure your salt and soy now so you can adjust as you finish the soup for ideal flavor balance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while you cook. It seals well and fits most cup holders, making it handy for long simmer sessions. I linked it plus other deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Maintain a gentle simmer while extracting flavor from ginger and garlic to keep the broth clear and aromatic. Slide the fish in gently and poach only until it turns opaque to avoid dryness. Drain the softened rice noodles and place them in bowls before ladling the hot broth and poached fish over them. Finish with a squeeze of lime and chopped scallions for freshness, and taste once more to fine-tune seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.